Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Jean Varvatos model, V515. The color of the frame is crystal brown. On the temples here we have a silver Jean Varvatos logo. And at the temple tip over here we also have a silver Jean Varvatos logo. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a brown color, and at the top left lens we have a Jean Varvatos emblem engraved in the lens. The style of the frame is full rim square. Up here we have a case to put your glasses in and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.